Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the outer CV boot on Nissan Primera. In this video I'm going to be replacing only the CV boot without removing the CV joint. I'll be using a special CV boot expander tool. I'll show it to you later. This is the CV boot that I'm going to be replacing. We can see it's torn. In order to get access to the CV boot, we're going to remove the nut for the CV, for the ball joint, and also this nut for the CV joint. First, to start by removing the nut for the CV joint. Next, we're going to remove this cable for the ABS sensor. We're just going to put it to the side, and now we're going to remove this nut for the ball joint. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the nut is removed, we're going to remove the ball joint. I'm going to put pressure on the ball joint with this ball joint puller tool. And next I'm going to hammer the wheel hub just where the ball joint is being caught, and that's how the ball joint is going to get released. I think it worked. Yeah, you can see the ball joint is now loose, so now I can use this puller tool to pull out the ball joint from the wheel hub. Before being able to remove the CV joint, there is another control arm that I need to remove. This is the control arm right there. I need to remove that nut and then pull out the control arm. Now I'm going to pull out the control arm, but this metal thing for the brake lines is in my way, so I'm going to remove the two bolts holding this metal thing, and then I'm going to pull out the rest of the way the control arm. I'm going to use a pry bar to make it easier to remove the control arm. Now that the control arm is removed, I'm going to pull out the CV joint. That's the CV joint out. Next, I'm going to remove the two clamps holding the CV joint. I'm going to remove those two clamps holding the CV boot. After I remove the two clamps, I'm going to cut the CV boot and remove it. Now that the CV boot is removed, I'm going to clean the space there, and then I'm going to insert the new CV boot. This is the CV boot expander tool that I'm using. As you know, you can use only universal CV boots with this expander tool. So I'm going to put the CV boot on, I'm going to expand the CV boot, and then I'm going to put it through the CV joint. Now that the CV boot is through the CV joint, I'm going to decompress the expander tool, and then I'm going to remove it. And that's how you put the CV boot onto the CV joint. Next, I'm going to put grease on the CV joint, and then I'm going to put the CV boot on and install the two metal clamps and tighten them. Next, I'm going to put the CV joint into the wheel hub, and then I'm going to put the ball joint into the wheel hub, the control arm into the wheel hub, and then I'm going to put on all the bolts and nuts and tighten them. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.